Hi, in this video I will show you how to add or activate WordPress plugin from cPanel. So as you can see right now, I'm in my file explorer and here I have a two-factor authentication plugin in a zip file. Now I'll upload and activate this plugin from my cPanel. First of all, go to your cPanel and here open File Manager. Once you are in your cPanel File Manager, just go to your website folder and here go to WP-content folder and open Plugins folder, and under Plugins folder we have to upload our plugin zip file. So click on Upload and you can simply drag and drop your plugin zip file. Make sure you have the plugin in zip format. So just add the zip file here. Once uploaded, click on Go Back and you'll jump into plugin folder and here you will find your plugin zip file. Now we have to extract the zip file. So select the file and click on Extract and click on Extract Files. And once the file successfully extracted, now you can remove or delete the zip file from this folder. And now go to your WordPress dashboard and just reload your dashboard. Go to plugin section and here you will find the plugin you just uploaded from cPanel. Now all you have to need, just activate the plugin from your WordPress dashboard and that's it. This is how we can upload WordPress plugin from cPanel. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.